So hello guys. So in this video we are going to set up our um, code editor. Okay, VS Code editor. So open your Visual Studio Code and we are going to change some settings. Okay, so you will have an option here for extensions. So what these extensions are? So you can think something like the Chrome extensions. You have some Chrome extensions, right? We are going to add in the same way. The Visual Studio Code also have some extensions. So these are some of the important extensions which I am going to install now. Okay. So first type prettier. Okay. So the first thing here you can see with the prettier P, right? So this is for code formatting. Okay. So code formatting is something very important when we build our web pages, because whenever we write a code and we'll keep it, and some other guy will come and check that code, so he needs to understand the code, right? He Whenever he see the code should be neat and clean. And also, if you install this, whenever whatever I'm teaching for you, okay, in the whole sections, okay, so those will be very clear for you, because my code and your code looks the same. Okay, so formatting is very important. So I request you to download this prettier. Okay, install. Just press the install and it will start installing. Now you can see here it's getting installed. So this is something which makes our code look good. Okay. Okay, so give it some time, it will get installed. And also you can also see the ratings here. Okay, the ratings 3.5, it's like 4.5 now. Okay, 4.5. You have different ratings, so you can install anything you want, but try to install this, it will look good. Okay, so it takes some time to download, to install. Okay, now it got installed. So after installing prettier, you need to change some settings. Okay, you can go to settings from here, press this manage. Okay, and open settings. So instead of going into each and everything, you can simply search for a setting by searching here. Okay, so the first setting you need to change is default formatter. Okay, default formatter. Okay, so here you can have this default formatter and press enter. So here you can see default formatter. So here it's none. So select from the list prettier. Okay, since we have installed it, right? Prettier. Here it is, code formatter, prettier. Select this. Okay, this is the first setting you need to change, because we have changed the editor to prettier. So it will be aligned in a good manner. Okay, you can see here extension contributing a format, default formatter, which takes precedence over all other formatter settings. So we have changed the setting to prettier. So the next setting would be format on save. Okay, search for format on save. Okay, so you need to check this box. Okay, so what this will do, format a file on save. Okay, so whenever you save a code, it will format automatically, so you need not do anything to format the code. Okay, it will format automatically on saving the code. Okay, so every time you need to save it. Okay, so instead of saving every time, you can auto save it. For that, search for auto save. Auto save. Okay, so auto save, um, on focus save. Okay, select on focus save here. Okay, so this will save automatically. Okay, and now you can have, like, you can search for a tab size. Okay, tab size. So here the tab size is 4. You can change that to 2. Okay, you will get to know what these are. Okay, by going into the lectures, you will get to know what the tab size is. You can see the number of spaces a tab is equal to. Okay, the setting is overridden based on the file contents. Okay, so this, I'm going to have this tab size as 2. You will get to know it is also a part of formatting. Okay, so if you it's not an issue to change, to keep any number here, but our code looks same. If you give a tab size of 2 or 4, you can give any tab size, that's not an issue. Okay, so you have another extension. Okay, in now the extension name is, this is something called one monokai theme. One monokai theme. Yeah, this is something, one monokai theme. You need to install this. So what this extension will do, it will basically generate the colors. It installed very fastly. Okay, so it basically use the color. Okay, so it's very easy for you to understand. It may look simple to do all these. Okay, but it makes such a difference that you can understand your code very easily. Okay, by the color coding here. So install one monokai. Okay, so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Not only one monokai, if you are interested to see, there are many themes. Okay, here, so you can open them and you can choose one of them based on their ratings or anything. Like if you liked the colors, you could choose them as well. But if you use this one monokai theme, then we will be on the same page. It will be very easy for you to understand, because my code and your code looks the same. Okay, so this is basically the extensions and the settings you need to change. That's it. Okay, so in this lecture you have set up our code editor. Okay, you have changed 4 settings and you have installed 2 extensions. So in the next lecture you will be seeing our first web page. Okay, so these are the settings which you need to change in the Visual Studio Code. So let's meet up in the next lecture.